Welcome to the Industry 4.0 experience of Bosch Rexroth. Take a tour with us and explore the benefits and potentials. Configure the car of your dreams. Let Bosch Rexroth show you how this car will be produced. Your configuration is transmitted to the manufacturer's information systems. The data for your configuration is connected and shared with different systems. This information flows in two directions. On the shop floor, it allocates machine and staff. At the same time, suppliers receive information listing the materials needed for production. Together, manufacturer and suppliers form a value creation network. Our production process starts with a basic chassis. All the needed materials and the chassis get an ID tag, which enables the parts to guide themselves through the factory. This ensures that all products will be in the right place at the right time for maximum efficiency. When the chassis passes the intelligence station, its ID tag is scanned. That data is transferred to the cloud server and the interactive communication platform, the active cockpit. This platform gathers all your car specifications and displays what will be produced. The active cockpit collects, processes, and visualizes all relevant production line data in real time, connecting man, machine, and production process. Our car manufacturer has also implemented Active Assist. It actively assists the worker to attach parts to the car cockpit. Active Assist is adapted to the individual needs and skills of the worker and intelligently leads through the assembly process. Even handheld assembly tools have smart technology to connect man and machine better. The Nexo nut runner tightening system has links to all relevant data. The Nexo determines the exact positioning of the screw automatically, making a wrong assembly impossible. Suppose you change your mind about your car's seats. Not a problem. Thanks to Industry 4.0 technology, the car manufacturer has real-time data from the complete production process. The configuration change is made and confirmed to the customer, and orders for the new seats are sent to the supplier. Now suppose one of these machines is starting to malfunction. Since it's part of the manufacturer's Industry 4.0 platform, data generated by the machine predicts a breakdown before it actually happens. The operator receives a message and can contact Bosch Rexroth service. Now imagine you are responsible for fixing the machine. No more pulling out repair manuals. You can use video goggles and connect to Bosch Rexroth service in real time. Using augmented reality, a specialist can guide you through the repair. Everything is in place, even your last-minute changes, and with no delay in delivery, so your new car is ready to roll. Connected automation in manufacturing leads to a faster and more flexible production process, better quality, more efficient use of materials, and reduced complexity and downtime. This is not some far-off future, but a reality in place today.